Today I'm going to show you how to install CapCut for Android. Open up the Play Store, and at the top hit the search and type in CapCut, and then hit search, and then it's going to be the first result, and it's from ByteDance. And after you see this, hit install. And after it's installed, you can hit open. You can read the terms of service and privacy policy. And then sometimes it'll ask you a couple questions. You can either allow or don't allow for notifications. And if you don't want to answer these questions, you could just hit skip. And there you go. And that is how you install CapCut for Android.